right.
Oh my God. All right, people, it's not often that you see this.
Pretty amazing.
Oh my God, I got it mixed up. They're hauling, here we go. What happens in the boat world, boys and girls? Lambros and SteveCurrington.com if you're new to the channel. I'm Lambros Steve. That's JJ right there. Yay! That's Grace. And we're racing. All right, people, we've made it to the boating area. Do we get on the Black Diamond, the 6 carat, the Viking, or Pressure Makes Diamonds, which is over there, another duplicate of that? I think we get on a Black Sea-Doo. Are we pulling these out? Oh my God. We're gonna take the Black Sea-Doo is the fastest. So I think we're gonna try that. And then you can see Pressure Makes Diamonds right over there. And there's the 6 carat. Oh, we got a little dinghy over here too. By the way, that's a sweet boat. And when you look at it, the Nautilus, the Nautical, whatever it is, look how small it looks compared to the 6 carat. It's a sweet boat, but look at that. Oh my God. So, all right. So this is our Florida Destin party. All right, people, it's not often that you see this, but there's the 2 Black Diamond, Pressure Makes Diamonds, and the Black Diamond boat out here about to idle out to the bay. So here we go. This will be fun. Okay, boys and girls, it's hours later. We tied up all the boats, and now I think it's about time to head back. So I'm gonna go play around in this cove for a minute. We'll be out running. I'll try to get some video of the Black Diamond Express as we go. Thanks for watching. Okay, they're coming through the middle here. There goes the Black Diamond. There goes the Black Diamond Express. Nope, that's the Black Diamond Express. That's the Black Diamond. That was Pressure Makes Diamonds. Oh my God, I got it mixed up. They're hauling. Here we go. We're trying to keep up. Okay, boys and girls, we caught them. Their engine over here, not so good. I think Jordo's about to swim over in the Black Diamond Express, which is why you have the Black Diamond Express as a backup. This one over here is running real nice. That one over there is not. So, what happens in the boat world, boys and girls. Bust out another 1,000 or 20 or 100. So here we go. All right, that's the end of the day. Later. Okay, one last pass. One last pass of Pressure Makes Diamonds. He's about to step on it maybe. Okay, people, check it out. It is the next day. It is now Sunday. So I wanted to film this last little bit because the last video that you saw was the Black Diamond with the engine bonnet up and in the middle of the ocean. So it had to get towed back by the Black Diamond Express. It threw something, I don't know, the engine knocked a hole in it. But now it's back. That's because last night they put 2 new engines in the Black Diamond. It's pretty amazing. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to SteveCurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.